Welcome to BCMP.
So my
BCMP stands for Biological Chemistry and
Biological
Molecular
Chemistry and
Pharmacology.
Molecular Pharmacology.
BCMP stands for Biological Chemistry and Molecular Pharmacology.
The overarching theme that brings our faculty together is how the machines of biology work and the tools that we use to shed light on these questions.
Hope is through our studies that we really get at kind of the molecular origins of disease.
My laboratory works on gene regulation, and that is how the genes in your body, which is the information, essentially gets turned into products that do things.
My lab uses single molecule microscopy techniques to try and really visualize the dynamics of proteins working together in a complex.
So we go from individual molecules to entire large macromolecular complexes.
So I'm researching currently in the Johannes Walter lab, and we study DNA replication at the molecular level.
Our lab is working on a fundamental biological problem, which is how molecules are moved across the membrane.
We can look at the detailed shapes of biological macromolecules and relate those shapes to function.
Like, what makes for a really good day for me is that if I have an idea and I've planned out an experiment, and then I do the experiment, and then you see the results in front of you and you're able to interpret them in the context of the original idea that you had, and you realize that you've discovered something new.
Yeah, there's a lot of joking around. In a lab, yeah, I don't know.
And what was the question?
Do you want to talk about your own award, the teaching one?
Oh, no.
No.
Johannes was the first person that, when I started here, said, "Don't call me Dr. Walter. It makes me feel old."
Oh.
Johannes is good.
When I came here for interview, I had never worked with frogs before, and one of the postdocs actually brought me into this frog room
Oh, I haven't been in the frog room.
and showed me those big frogs, and I was actually quite scared. And I came back at night to my wife and I said, I don't think I can do this, and I don't think I'm going to be able to work in the lab.
I haven't been in the frog room.
Oh, so you were taping this? No. No. Were you taping this? Yeah. At the last spot? Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay.
What do I love most about Harvard Medical School? The people here are incredible across the board. So the members of the administrative staff in my department, they work hard, and they're really serious about their work when they're here. But they're also lovely, kind-hearted people.
What I like most about HMS is that I am a positive contributor to the leading age of research that HMS is doing.
The good thing about the lab is that it's really relaxed, but we are also really serious and committed to science, so it makes the work really enjoyable.
I think the biggest advantages of being here is that there's probably more science in the medical school area of all types than really anywhere in the world.
No, I think it's a good department. You know, it's fun working here. I really like it.
I'm grateful to have a really great group of students and postdocs, and it's really exciting to see these people kind of come together and learn new things and teach each other.
What I like best about working here is definitely be surrounded by really intelligent and great scientists. And although this could be really intimidating at first because you feel that you're not smart enough to be here, once you accept this and accept that around you there are people that are actually smarter than you are, it becomes a really positive experience, because instead of being intimidating, you start admiring and you start learning from them, and this only makes you a better scientist.
Obviously, the faculty, the trainees, the visitors who come to teach us about their research, it's an extraordinary opportunity to be right in the middle of an exceptional community of scholars. So for me, that's a special privilege.